In this lesson, you will describe the various groups of animals that eat different foods, and use information from secondary sources to group animals according to the food they eat. In this lesson, you will describe the various groups of animals that eat different foods, and use information from secondary sources to group animals according to the food they eat. Perform activity number 1 to find out the eating habits and sources of food of animals. Unlike other living things, animals cannot make their own food. They get their energy by feeding on plants and other animals. That's why they are called consumers. Animals and humans are both consumers since they feed on other living things or food products to stay alive. When you look around kids, you see animals feeding on different things. Caribou eat grass, lions feed on other animals, and chickens eat both grains and insects. Animals can be grouped based on the foods they eat. Herbivorous animal group. Herbivores are plant eaters. At the level of the food chain, herbivores in the census group include cattle, rabbits, deer, grasshoppers, and caterpillars. In general, animals belonging to the herbivore group have many places to live, such as meadows, forests, and rice fields. Herbivores play an important role in the environment. They help control plant growth and contribute to the balance of nature. Herbivorous animal teeth have larger and more molars. Its function is to chew grass and fibrous leaves. It has sharp incisors, which serve to cut food. And it also has no canines. Some examples of herbivores animals. The elephant, a large, grass-eating creature, is a prominent member of the herbivore group. In a day, elephants can spend as much as 270 kilograms of food, Although living on land, elephants can swim for 6 hours and cover a distance of 50 kilometers in a day. The average lifespan of an elephant is 70 years and it weighs up to 8,000 kilograms. Cows are milk-producing livestock. This animal is also a herbivore because it eats grass. Throughout his life, a cow can produce as much as 200,000 glasses of milk. Cattle can weigh up to 1,000 kilograms and the average lifespan is 25 years. Pandas are large animals that usually eat young bamboo. These animals have a habit of living in groups in an area. Unfortunately, due to poaching, This one animal is threatened with extinction. Horses are herbivores that eat grass and hay. They have specialized teeth for grinding plant material. Before they transform into butterflies, caterpillars are herbivores that feed on leaves and plant parts. The next classification of animals is the carnivorous animals. Carnivores are animals that mainly eat the meat of other animals. They are also called predators, animals that get food mostly by killing and eating other animals or prey. Prey refers to animals that are hunted and eaten by predators. Examples of carnivorous animals: lions hunt and eat other animals, such as zebras and deer, out in the wild. Tigers are known for hunting small animals. Sharks feed on other fish, seals, and other marine animals. Crocodiles mainly eat fish, but they also catch birds and other animals that come near the water. Eagles hunt small animals, birds, and fish. Omnivorous animal group. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and meat. Unlike herbivores and carnivores, omnivores have a more diverse and varied diet. Omnivores do not feed only on certain foods. They eat what they can get from different environments and food sources. Their digestive systems can break down plant and animal meat, but their capacity to do this is not similar to that of an obligate herbivore or carnivore. Characteristics of omnivorous animals: 1. Eat plants and meat. 2. They has a complex digestion. 3. It has sharp teeth on the front. 4. It has flat teeth on the back. 5. Most are non-mammals and some are mammals. Examples of omnivorous animals: the gorilla is the largest primate, its fur is jet black, and it can stand like a human. He usually eats vegetables, fruit, and insects. Bears are included in the category of wild animals, usually live in the forest and eat anything they find in the forest, including plants, other animals. Pig. This big round-nosed animal is quite intelligent, you know. His intelligence is higher than cats and dogs. He can also eat anything, be it plants, insects, or other small animals. Chickens eat grains, seeds, insects, and small animals. Some bats feed on a combination of fruits, insects, and small animals. Let's look at this diagram to summarize our lesson. Now, let's start activity number 2. Let us do activity number 3.